In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload a CapCut project to the cloud in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful feature if you want to back up your work, access your project on another device, or keep your editing process more organized and secure. If you're working on a big edit, uploading your project to the cloud can save you a lot of time and stress later on. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, open CapCut on your computer and make sure you're signed into the correct account. This is important because your project will be uploaded to the cloud under the account you're using. Once CapCut opens, look at the left sidebar and click on Spaces. This is where CapCut keeps cloud storage and shared project options. After you click Spaces, you'll see the cloud workspace area load on the screen. Now look for the upload icon. It should be easy to spot in the Spaces section, and this is the button you'll use to start sending your project to the cloud. Go ahead and click that upload icon. Next, from the upload options, choose Upload Project. This tells CapCut that you want to upload an entire project rather than just a media file or asset. After that, CapCut will show you your available projects. Take a moment to choose the project or projects you want to upload. If you only want to back up one edit, select just that one. If you want to upload multiple projects at once, you can choose more than one depending on what CapCut allows in your version. Once you've selected the project or projects, double-check that everything looks right before continuing. This helps make sure you're uploading the correct file and not missing anything important. When you're ready, click Upload. CapCut will begin sending the project to the cloud, and depending on the size of the project and your internet speed, it may take a little while to finish. Just let the upload complete before closing the app or switching tasks. After it's done, your project should now be stored in CapCut Cloud Space, making it easier to access later whenever you need it. And that's it, your CapCut project is now uploaded to the cloud. It's a simple process, but it can make a huge difference if you want a safer workflow and easier access across devices. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more CapCut tips, editing tricks, and beginner-friendly guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.